Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove likes on Facebook. So, if you are able to find your all likes, or if you want to, remove your all likes on Facebook, so you can remove it. So, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So, let's go on my mobile screen. So, guys, here you can see I'm on my Android phone. So, let me open Facebook application. So as I told you, if I like something here, if I like this one, okay, okay, if I like this one, or if I react something on here, so you can see, if you find your post, your like post or react post, just go to your post and just undo by tapping on the reaction. Your likes or reaction will be removed. But if you want to delete all likes or reaction Facebook post, means you have to find your all posts which you have like or react, and then you can delete. So how you can find out? Just click on the three line option, go to the settings, and here you have to find option like called activity logs. So under your information you will find the activity log, tap on it, and here you have to find your reaction, interaction and reaction, just tap on it. So if you want to find likes and reaction, so you have to click on it. If you want to find comments, you can click on it. So just click on it, so you will see your all posts which you have reacted. So you can select all, just select, you can select all, or you can remove from here, or you can select one by one, and yeah, you can remove from here. Okay, or if you, there is another option, just open the post and you will find your reaction here, and you can just untick tick on it and undo it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.